The rest of the tool, we're putting the belt back onto this Craftsman M270 lawnmower sucker belt. And you have to take off this cover here, front cover. Flathead screwdriver and pop them up. Get that out of the way. And it's going to expose the front pulley here. And then we're going to need to go underneath. You want to make sure you unplug the spark plug. Underneath here we have some 10mm bolts, about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 of them. Gotta get those loose. Don't lose them. One more here. Oh, there's only 2 bolts. Okay. That needs to slide down. To take the blade off, you need a 5/8 socket. I have an adapter with that on my drill. So it's going to go in reverse here. Just have to hold it still. You got the blade off. And we can move this cover off. Just line it up. Slides right off. And you got the pulley exposed. It's a matter of sliding the belt on. I'll take and put the belt on. We're going to slide it through this opening here. We'll put the belt on the pulley and slide it through this opening. Slide it through first. When you slide it through another end, just grab it and slide it over here, and you're almost done. This is got some slack to it, so come back on this side and finish the job, and the belt is on. Put the cap back on. Line it up with this opening. Slide right back on. You want to slide it. Make sure the belt is in the middle. Slide this back up in there. Line up the hose and put the bolts back in, and we're almost there. We'll get our 2 bolts back on there. 10mm. One here, one here. screws back in place. We'll get our blade back on. Line it up. Can't mess this up. Tighten it back down. The 5/8 socket. Make sure it's going the right way. Gonna turn them over. Put it out.
You took it. You got where you took it out there?
It only got 2 holes. Right here and right here. Okay.
Hey, you've been going through so much.
Yeah.
And you need some, you need a good, I said, girl, how you know? He said, I can look at you and say it.
Yeah.
He said, I got it, she already got it set up for her people.
She do.
And on the side of the feet, they was in 9 minutes, an hour, 30 minutes.
Okay.
It's gonna go so fast.
Yeah.
But anyway, from 3